government will get 70%, while the distributable pool account will receive 30%. So get it. When it comes to mining rents and royalties, central government will get 20%, regional government 50%, and then 30% to the distributable pool account. Whereas for other items except tobacco, motor spirit, beer, wine, and portable spirits, federal government will get 70%, distributable pool account will get 30%. Okay? Now, when funds are sent to distributable pool account, Raisman Trees recommended a further sharing formula on that distributable pool account on the basis of certain principles that it recommended. All right, so it for the distributable pool account, Raisman Trees recommended three principles. One is general principles of continuity of government service. The second is principle of minimum responsibility. And then lastly, the principle of population and balanced development. So general principles of continuity of government service is that you share on the basis of the need to continue services provided by the government at each of these tiers of government. So you factor that in sharing. Then the second principle, which is minimum responsibility, is that the regions, territories, or government with more responsibility will get more. So if the central government has more responsibility on a particular issue, they were to get more. While if the regions and local governments had more responsibility on a particular issue, they were to get more as relates to that particular issue. So that's what is called the minimum responsibility principle. And then lastly, the population and balanced development principle. Like we earlier mentioned, population principle is on the basis of numbers of persons, living in that particular region or territory. So it will determine what that place will get. And then also the need to balance development between the various territories of pre-colonial Nigeria will also affect the sharing formula. Okay, so on the basis of this principle, Raisman Trees recommended that Northern region will get 40% from the distributable pool account, Western region will get 24%, Eastern region will get 31%, and then the General South region will have 5%.